Children, welcome back to your VBPSE learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have started the exercises of your The Wise Men of Ramnagar of your English literature workbook, children. Today I am going to complete the rest of the exercises which are left in the same chapter, lesson number 8, The Wise Men of Ramnagar. So what you all have to do, you all have to fill it with the help of pencil, and after that you read that you have written it properly or not. Check your spellings also, children, so there will be no spelling mistake. Go through it again and again, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also, children. And please use pencil, don't use pen. To It will make your book dirty, and if it will be make one once it will be dirty, no one will rub it. Okay, so you have to use only pencil. Okay, students. So, and complete the two rest of the two exercises properly, and you have to let's begin with the exercise, children.
Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed up to this exercise, you all know now. So today I am going to complete with this new exercise. Add suitable conjunction in the blanks below. Rahul dash Rajesh are brothers. So conjunction, you know, that are the words that join the two words or sentences. So Rahul and Rajesh are brothers. Sunil is young but very clever. He was poor but very generous. She is old but wise. You can take dash the big book, the dash the small book. So you can take both the big book and the small book. Shankar is dash. Shankar is not only tall but also heavy. Shekhar is dash handsome dash clever. Shekhar is not only handsome but also clever. Will you come tonight or tomorrow morning? My uncle dash my aunt. My uncle and my aunt came, but my cousins didn't. She not only visited her friend in hospital but also took him some grapes. 11th, the car was both old and very expensive. He can sing but he can't whistle. Okay, these are all conjunction. You can fill like this as I have completed. Come to the next exercise, children. I don't know, I shall ask. Look at this. Where does your mother buy rice? So you can add I don't know. I don't know where my mother buys rice. Next is, what did your father spend last week? So I shall ask him, or I shall ask my father what he spent last week. Like this, where does your neighbor take his dog every evening? So it will be changed like this. I don't know where my neighbor where my neighbor takes his dog every evening. Now come to the next page. Next is, what did you get for your birthday 6 years ago? So you can complete it like this. I don't know. I don't know what I got for my birthday 6 years ago. 6 years ago. Okay, so you can, this get will change into the past participle. I don't know what I got for my birthday 6 years ago. When do Mr. and Mrs. Gopalan eat their lunch? So, I shall ask Mr. and Mrs. Gopalan when do they eat their lunch? Their lunch. Why did your brother come home late? I don't know why did. It will be not did. I don't know why my brother came home late. I don't know. I don't know why my brother came home late. How does Manu stay underwater for 3 minutes? I shall ask Manu I shall ask Manu how he stays under water for 3 minutes. When does your father read the newspaper? I don't know. When my father reads the newspaper. Okay, children, come to the next. What did your friend say to his father? What did your friend say to his father? So, I don't know. I don't know what my friend said to his father. Said to his father. Where did Hema go for her holiday? So, I don't know where Hema gone for her holidays. I don't know where Hema gone for her holiday. How did you get that sum right? So, I don't know how he got that sum right. And the last is, why does your father always sing in the bathroom? I shall ask, why my father always sings in the bathroom. Okay, so you all have to complete with the help of pencil in your workbook, children. Okay beta, thank you.